Hey guys, in this part we'll learn inheritance in C#. In C#, it is possible to inherit fields and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories. Derived class or child is the class that inherits from another class, and base class or parent is the class being inherited from. To inherit from a class, use the two dot symbol. In this example, the car class is child inherits the fields and methods from the vehicle class or parent. So, write the example. Class vehicle is the base class or parent, and create a field public string brand equal to Ford, and create a method public void hunch and console.writeLine toot. And create a car class car and inherited from VHL. Derived class or child, and create a field for car public string model name equal to Mustang, and use classes. Create a car object, my car equal to new car, and call the hunch method my car dot hunch from the VHL class, and display the values console.writeLine brand my car dot brand from VHL class, and my car dot model name from car class, and Control F5 toot and Ford Mustang. And why and when to use inheritance? It is useful for code reusability. Reuse fields and methods of an existing class when you create a new class. Tip: also take a look at the next chapter, polymorphism, which uses inherited methods to perform different tasks, and the sealed keyword. If you don't want other classes to inherit from a class, use the sealed keyword. So, for example, I put the sealed keyword in here, and we have an error in here. The error says car cannot drive from sealed type VHL.